Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for detailed product insights. Today, we're talking about what we think is the best Mylaps Rc Transponder replacement when it comes to toll tracking and windshield mounted devices. Introducing the Amoner UEZ pass holder for windshield, a compact, reliable, and universal toll pass holder that's changing the game for daily drivers and road warriors. Let's dive right into what makes this product stand out. First off, the design. It's a no-fuss, practical build that measures just over 6 inches in length, 4 inches wide, and less than half an inch thick. That low-profile footprint means it doesn't distract or clutter your windshield. It's crafted from UV-resistant thermoplastic, so you're not dealing with fading, cracking, or warping, no matter how hot or cold it gets. The true highlight of this product is the installation and removal process. It comes equipped with 2 industrial-grade suction cups. These are strong. We tested it across multiple vehicles and even bumpy roads, and this thing did not budge. But if you prefer a more permanent fix, it also comes with 4 adhesive strips. These strips are residue-free, so switching between vehicles is hassle-free. Just peel, stick, or press the suction, and you're good to go. Driving through rough terrain or older roadways? No problem. The Amoner U stays locked in, giving your toll transponder a stable platform for continuous and reliable reading. We even tried it with EZ Pass Flex and iPass units on highways, toll booths, and bridges. No misreads, no alerts, just smooth toll operations every time. One of the best things? Compatibility. Whether you're commuting in New York, Illinois, or making that cross-state drive down to Maryland, this holder supports almost all major US toll systems. So, if you're using EZ Pass, Flex Pass, SunPass, FastTrack, or Good to Go, you don't need to worry, it fits them all. And let's talk about portability. If you share a car, rent often, or switch between vehicles, this is the perfect solution. You don't need to leave your pass stuck in one vehicle. The Amoner U gives you the flexibility to carry and remount your transponder easily without dealing with sticky messes or replacements. No matter the weather, hot summers or freezing winters, this mount holds up. The material doesn't warp in heat, nor does it become brittle in the cold. That's a big deal, especially for commuters in places with fluctuating climates. The Amoner UEZ pass holder isn't just a windshield accessory, it's a problem solver for anyone who hates falling toll devices, unreliable reads, or sticky residue. With a solid blend of flexibility, durability, and broad compatibility, it's become a commuter essential. If you're someone constantly on the go or just looking for a clean, consistent solution to mount your toll pass, this is it. The Amoner UEZ pass holder is simple, reliable, and built to last. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a product breakdown from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.